Are you tired of your sewing machine struggling with thick fabrics? Does denim make your current machine cry for mercy, eh? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're counting down the top 5 heavy-duty sewing machines that'll power through anything you throw at them. Make sure to check out all the Amazon links in the description box below. Let's dive in. At number 5, we've got the Singer Heavy Duty 4452. And this beast is perfect if you want serious speed without breaking the bank. We're talking 1,100 stitches per minute here, folks. That's lightning fast compared to most home machines that crawl along at 600. When you've got a big project deadline, this machine won't keep you waiting around. The heavy-duty metal frame is what sets this apart from flimsy plastic competitors. You can actually feel the solid construction when you're sewing through multiple layers of denim or canvas. Those 32 built-in stitches give you plenty of options for different projects, and the automatic needle threading saves your eyesight after long sewing sessions. Here's what really impressed me about the 4452. It handles leather like it's cotton. Seriously, I've seen people sew through thick upholstery fabric and heavy curtain material without any hiccups. The presser foot pressure is adjustable too, so you can fine-tune it for whatever material you're working with. The pre-programmed buttonhole function works flawlessly every single time. No more wonky, uneven buttonholes that make your projects look amateurish. And that extra high pressure foot lift, game changer for thick materials that other machines just can't accommodate properly. Now, here's the catch. Some users report tension issues after heavy use, so you might need occasional adjustments. But honestly, for the price and performance, the Singer 4452 delivers serious bang for your buck. At number 4, we have the Brother ST150 HD. Strong and tough. And boy, does this machine live up to its name. This is Brother's answer to heavy-duty sewing, combining computerized convenience with serious muscle. Those 50 built-in stitches include decorative options that most heavy-duty machines skip entirely. The advanced needle threading system is pure genius. Just press a button and watch the thread glide through automatically. No more squinting and struggling in poor lighting. The LCD display shows you exactly which stitch you've selected, and switching between options is incredibly intuitive, even for beginners. What really sets the ST150 HD apart are those longer 7-point feed dogs with box feed design. Translation, your fabric moves smoothly and evenly, even when you're working with slippery satins or grabby knits. That metal needle plate adds durability that plastic alternatives just can't match long-term. This machine transitions seamlessly from heavyweight denim to delicate silk without missing a beat. That versatility means you're not stuck buying separate machines for different fabric types. The 5 automatic buttonhole styles give your projects that professional finish that screams craftsmanship. The one downside, it's definitely pricier than basic heavy-duty models, so budget-conscious sewers might need to save up. But when you factor in the computerized features and versatility, you're getting incredible value for serious sewers who want it all. Coming in at number 3, the Janome HD 5000. And this machine is what happens when Japanese engineering meets American heavy-duty demands. Janome's reputation for bulletproof reliability shines through every stitch with this powerhouse. We're talking about a machine that'll outlast your sewing room and probably your house too. The superior fabric handling capabilities are immediately noticeable when you start sewing. That enhanced motor doesn't just push through thick materials, it glides through them like butter. The consistent stitch quality remains perfect whether you're on layer 1 or layer 10 of your quilt sandwich. Here's what makes the HD 5000 special is that professional-grade construction means every component is built to commercial standards. The internal mechanisms are all metal where it counts, and the precision engineering ensures your stitches look identical from the first one to the 10,000th one. The mechanical simplicity is actually a huge advantage. No computer chips to malfunction, no LCD screens to crack, just pure, reliable mechanical precision that keeps working year after year. Maintenance is straightforward, and parts are readily available if you ever need them down the road. The drawback? You won't find fancy decorative stitches or computerized features here. This is a workhorse, not a show pony. But for sewers who prioritize reliability and consistent performance over bells and whistles, the HD 3000 delivers exactly what you need. At number 2, we have the Brother HC 1850. And this machine is the perfect sweet spot between features and heavy-duty performance. With 185 built-in stitches, you've got more creative options than most sewers will ever use. But here's the kicker. It handles heavy fabrics just as well as those basic utility stitches. The automatic needle threading combined with that drop-in bobbin system makes setup incredibly user-friendly. Even complete beginners can get this machine running smoothly in minutes. The LCD display shows you exactly what's happening, and the variable speed control lets you take things slow while you're learning or crank it up for production work. What really impresses me about the HC1850 is how smoothly it transitions between different fabric types. One minute you're hemming delicate chiffon, the next you're top stitching through 4 layers of denim, and the machine doesn't even break a sweat. The metal frame provides rock-solid stability that eliminates vibration and noise. The built-in instructional videos and printed manual actually make sense. Brother did their homework on user experience, and it shows in every detail. From the bright LED work light to the generous workspace around the needle, everything is designed with real-world sewing in mind. The potential downside? With all those stitch options, it can feel overwhelming at first. Some users get lost in the menu system initially, but once you find your go-to stitches, navigation becomes second nature pretty quickly. And our #1 heavy-duty sewing machine, the Janome HD3000. This machine consistently tops every expert review list, and there's a damn good reason why. When professional seamstresses and quilters need a machine they can depend on day after day, year after year, this is what they choose. That all-metal construction isn't marketing hype, it's the real deal. Every internal component that matters is built from metal, not plastic that'll crack under pressure. The dial pattern selection is refreshingly simple after dealing with complicated computerized interfaces. Just turn the dial and sew. It's that straightforward. The front-loading bobbin system is pure engineering brilliance. Loading thread takes seconds, and you can see exactly how much bobbin thread is remaining without stopping your work. That hard case inclusion means your investment stays protected, whether you're storing it or traveling to classes and retreats. Here's what separates the HD3000 from everything else. It just works. Every single time. No temperamental days, no mood swings, no mysterious tension problems that drive you crazy. Fire it up and it performs exactly the same whether it's been sitting for months or running for hours straight. The only real limitation? You get 18 stitches, not hundreds. But honestly, most sewers use maybe 6 stitches regularly anyway. When you prioritize reliability over stitch count, the HD3000 becomes the obvious choice for serious sewers who demand perfection. These 5 machines represent the best heavy-duty options available today. Whether you choose speed, features, or bulletproof reliability, you can't go wrong. Drop your questions below, and happy sewing!